Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to be unboxing PowerBeats 3 wireless. I got this from Target and I saw these in way too many colors to count. This right here is the neighborhood collection. They come in 4 different colors. This one's called brick red. Then there are other 5 different colors of PowerBeats 3 that aren't in the neighborhood collection. Alright, now opening up the box, the earphones are well presented. Underneath it, there are 3 pairs of ear tips going from small, medium to large. You will also find a 6-inch micro USB charging cable and a carrying pouch that matches the color of the earphones. When I first took it out, I actually thought this was the charging case, but it turns out it's just a silicone carrying pouch. The earphones look and feel good in the hand. It is made out of plastic, but it does manage to feel like a premium product. The ear hooks are made out of a durable rubber type of material, and so are the flat tangle-free wires. At the middle where the cables meet, there's a cable management clip that should help adjust a secure fit. There aren't any buttons on the left side of the earphones, but on the right side, there's the power button and an LED light that indicates the power. Going down along the right earbud, there are the media control buttons with a mic on the back. The volume buttons feel tactile and responsive. However, the pause and play button feels a little smushy. Putting on the earphones is something I had to get used to, but after my first time I got used to it. To make it easy, first hook the earphones on the back of your ear, then press it inside of your ears. I haven't fully used these earphones, so I can't say much, but during my first use, they had a very snug fit. I wasn't able to shake them off. The cable management clip works, but I think it kind of looks funny. Beats claim that these earphones can last you up to 12 hours. I'm not 100% sure about that, but we'll find out in the upcoming video. These earphones have Bluetooth 4.0 and Apple's W1 chip, which is going to make pairing a whole lot easier. It's got something called fast fuel. It's basically like fast charging, so if you charge it for 5 minutes, you can get a music playback time of 1 hour. It doesn't say anything about IPX certification in the box, but it does say it is sweat and water resistant. That about wraps it up for this unboxing. I'm going to make a full in-depth review about these earphones in the coming future, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.